Birds' name and sounds. Peacock. Peacocks have beautiful, colorful feathers that they can fan out like a big, fancy fan. Ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest birds in the world, and they can't fly, but they can run very fast. Duck. Ducks have webbed feet, which help them swim in water. Parrot. Parrots are very smart and can learn to say words and sounds. Toucan. Toucans have lightweight beaks that are strong and useful for reaching fruit. They live in the tropical forests of Central and South America. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to peck holes in trees to find bugs to eat. Owl. Owls have big eyes and can see very well in the dark. Crow. Crows are very clever and can use tools to get food. Pelican. Pelicans have big pouches under their beaks to catch fish. Rooster. Roosters crow in the morning and have bright, colorful feathers. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink because of the food they eat, like shrimp. Sparrow. Sparrows are very social and often live in flocks. They like to take dust baths to keep their feathers clean. Seagull. Seagulls can drink salt water because they have special glands that filter out the salt. Kingfisher. Kingfishers have bright, colorful feathers and sharp beaks. They catch fish by diving into the water from a perch above. Swan. Swans are very strong flyers and migrate long distances. Their babies are called cygnets and are usually gray or brown. Pigeon. Pigeons have been used to carry messages over long distances. Crane. Cranes are tall birds with long legs and necks. They perform beautiful dances to attract a mate. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are very small and can hover in the air by flapping their wings really fast. They drink nectar from flowers using their long, thin beaks. Weaver bird. Weaver birds are known for making intricate nests that look like baskets. They use grass and twigs to weave their nests, which often hang from tree branches. Goose. Goose can be very protective of their nests. They have strong wings and can fly thousands of miles when migrating. Hornbill. Hornbills have eyelashes that are actually modified feathers. Some species of hornbills seal themselves in tree holes to lay their eggs, with the male bringing food to the female. Penguin. Penguins live in groups called colonies or rookeries. They use their flippers to fly underwater. Thanks for watching. Tiny tykes, like, share, and subscribe.